Welcome to the Tahoe Real Estate Show. Today we're joined with one of the hardest working team members I've ever met. His name is Kenny Bednar, and he is with Lake Tahoe Communities and Chase International. Hi Kenny, how are you doing today?
How you doing, Cindy?
I'm good. I know that you've been busy. We've been chatting briefly, and things are really happening in Lake Tahoe right now, aren't they?
We've got a movement, that's for sure. There's a lot of people want to spend their time up in Tahoe and work and play in the same place.
Yes, absolutely. Well, once again, you have another beautiful property that you have listed. It's on the California side in South Lake Tahoe. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's 1818 Jack Bell Court, and it is $749. Price per square foot is about $280 a square foot. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's a vacation rental in a great location. It's just over the county line, so we're still allowed to use it as a vacation rental. Generates about $65,000 a year.
Wow, I was going to say, I know that it's really important that you put that in your listing because so many people do want to come up to Tahoe and buy vacation rentals, so this is one of those that you can do that with. Now, do they also use this property for themselves, or do they just completely rent it out all the time?
You know, that's a good question. They used to. They got transferred from the Bay Area. They were Silicon Valley, young couple, and they used to come up here quite a bit, about 2/3 of the time, renting it about 1/3 of the time. But they got transferred to Austin, Texas, so it's a little further to travel.
Yes, absolutely. Well, one of the things that you are known for are your visuals, and as soon as I saw this pop up on the MLS, I said, yep, I know whose listing that is, without even seeing who the listing agents were. One of the things that you do that's very unique, or that you started, here is all of your visuals, your drone shots. Tell us how you kind of perfected that.
Well, it's really come to play out with the COVID situation that we're under right now, because the clients that we get are clients from the Bay Area or LA. They're out-of-town buyers, so we have a destination market, as you know. So we use Brad Scott visuals, and we do drone videos, we do walkthroughs, virtual tours, basically everything so the client can sit in their home and get to understand not just the home, but also the area, and I think that's really important.
Oh, and I know that you take pride in your photographs, and so you put your wife to work, who is also a licensed real estate agent, Miss Jana, and she goes in there and she stages it, and it's always bright and beautiful and colorful. And she even goes in and cleans it, and you just don't see that from other agents. So you do put in a lot of extra effort for sure.
Yeah, we do. We work as a team, and she's got the eye as far as decoration and cleaning things up, cleaning property, so they show better. You know, the cleaner you have a property, the better it's going to show, and especially in the videos. That's so important right now, Cindy.
Absolutely, and I know you have a new team member, Elliot Young.
Yes.
Who he is young, but he is very hardworking, and I know that you can call him at the last minute, and he'll come right up and do a showing if that's what is needed. But briefly, we were talking earlier, Pete and I, about the area, and tell us a little bit about the setting of this house.
I'm glad you asked. The setting's unusual because to be in the county and be close to the ski resort is pretty difficult, okay? So this is just on the county side, just past the county, and you're 2 miles to Ski Run, which means you're only 3 miles to Heavenly Valley. You're 3 miles to Ski Run Marina. So you got the best of both worlds. You've got the lake and you have the mountain virtually within a bike ride from your house.
And it's a forest setting, so you feel like you're in the mountains, and it's not like you're at the beach or anything, but...
That's exactly right.
Great. Well, as always, you always bring us great properties, and you're a high-quality agent, and people should respect how hard you work to do the best for your clients and show those properties off. So thanks for joining us, and we'll be right back after this message.